whatever you want, it should be imprinted in your consciousness. And whenever you're free, just visualize it. Close your eyes and visualize it. Now, same is with the health. I can promise you that if I make you do the complete Shiva Yoga curriculum, there are quite many things. Your health will become perfect, absolute healthy. No question of any disease, no question of incurable. There is no such thing called incurable. It is limitations of modern medicine, but it is not incurable. The modern medicine is not reached to that scientific level where it can cure. But Shiva Yoga is a science beyond science, and Shiva Yoga can cure. Now, I want you to visualize your health. Now, first of all, I would like you to visualize what you feel about your health. What is the limitation? And then I want you to understand and speak to yourself, what is the definition of your health? If you are healthy, can you do vigorous exercises? Can you have a lot of flexibility? Can you have a lot of stamina? Or how you would like to be looked like as absolutely young person? You understand? So there has to be a mental clarity. Shiva Yoga is knowingness. Shiva Yoga is not. Most of the people, they live their life unknowingly. Most of the people, they think their thoughts unknowingly. Most of the people, they behave unknowingly. Most of the people, they speak words unknowingly. But Shiva Yoga is everything, whatever you do, you must be aware of it. Is it clear? So I want you to now relax, take deep breath in. Now it is a method. Now let us say, first we are going to do the health, and then any issue which you have in your life, any issue, and you want it to be resolved. Then next we are going to do that. So whenever you have free time, at least उतने समय तो मजा ले लो ये सोच के कि ये हो ही गया है तुम्हारा। और वो मजे की जिस दिन आदत पड़ जाएगी हायर कॉन्शियसनेस को, वो अपने आप क्रिएट कर लेगी जो तुम चाहते हो। एंड आस्क बिग, थिंक बिग। स्मॉल नहीं सोचना कि ठीक है मैं छोटा ही आदमी हूं। तुम छोटे और बड़े हो ही नहीं, तुम तो इनफाइनाइट हो। और तुम चाहते क्या हो? कोई बोले मैं छोटा हूं, बोले ठीक है, तो क्या चाहते हो? छोटा ही चाहूंगा। क्या तुम बड़ा होना चाहते हो? हाँ चाहता हूं, लेकिन कौन हो सकता है? शिव योग कर सकता है। इसलिए जितना तुम बड़ा होना चाहते हो उतना बड़ा सोचो। नेवर थिंक स्मॉल। छोटा कभी नहीं सोचना, बड़ा सोचना।